Hello to all of my peeps out there. For those of you who have struggled with making an anime face shape and or have troubles placing the facial features on the face, I got you covered. Before we begin, you should know that I am using the Clip Studio Paint drawing software for this exercise. And now let's start by drawing simple shapes. So I'm going to first start with a circle. Then I'm going to draw a line down the middle of the face to help me with placing the facial features. Next, we are going to draw the chin. For the females, the chin is going to be pointy, whereas the male's chin is going to be still pointy, but more on the square side. Think chiseled. After that, we're going to draw the eyes. The eyes come down about halfway horizontally down the head and are spaced about an eye width apart. That means that if you can fit a third eye in between the two eyes, then they are perfectly spaced apart. Next, we're going to draw the eyebrows. The happier or more surprised the facial expression, the higher the eyebrows are going to be. You see what I'm saying? Now we'll draw the nose. After the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. Anime mouths are fun to work with because there's not very much lip detail going on. So that basically leaves you with just a single line to work with. And you can twist and morph that line into all sorts of different shapes within reason, for greater effect. For this girl, I'm just going to give her a sweet smile, and I'm going to go give him a neutral expression. For drawing the ears, fun fact, the top part of the ear will not go higher than the top part of the eye, and the bottom part of the ear will not go lower than the bottom of the nose. Alright, I wasn't originally planning to give these guys some hair in this video, but I thought, why not give them some real quick? I am, however, going to make a detailed video on how to draw hair in the future, so stay tuned for that. Congratulations, peeps! We just drew an anime face with hair. If you approved of the content that you just saw, I highly recommend that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to influence the content of my future videos, check out my art accounts on X or Instagram or both. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!